Hi everyone, I'm Tucker, and in this video, I'll be showing you our room makeover. It began with three processes. The beginning, when we get into it, and then in the end, when it's all done. So let's dive in.
Oh, this is from Joanna Bain. This is from you, for you.
Yeah, our bed was a bit messy when we started, because this was a weekly project. We had to really dive into this. Yeah, once we got into the project, it started getting way better. It started really getting like a room that we should all have and we'll all use. And this is the outlook. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. This is how it all came out. We added a desk and a chair, and then our brand new bunk bed. Our cat really loves it. Hope you all enjoyed my room makeover video. Bye!